morning, everybody. This is Jason with JR Custom Designs. Again, I wanted to show you an unboxing of the ARRMA Notorious stunt truck that I got from Horizon Hobbies. You saw the video on earlier about the stadium truck or the Desert Racer, the low C Baja Super Baja Ray. Took it out, played around with it. Actually, had a little too much fun with it and ripped the body a little bit. Hopefully, I'll be able to get a running video of that, and also a running video of what I'm about to show you now. What I'm about to show you now is, like I said, the ARRMA Notorious 6S official stunt truck, basically. Everything else has been kind of, or a lot of things that people have had, Stampede, and they had that called the Outlaw or Out something similar to this, but this one is a purpose-built stunt truck. Everybody says the reviews say it's really durable, strong, and handles what you throw at it pretty easily. So by looking at all the pictures, you can tell the stuff it has. I mean, just billet aluminum everywhere, body bracing. I mean, you name it. It's got a little bit of everything here. So go ahead and cut the box open. And these come pre-assembled, just like most of the trucks now. But you get a little bag of goodies here. I'm not quite sure what's in here. Take a look. Some extra body post mounts and like sway arm brace, extra pinion gear, and some wrenches to work on it. Hopefully we don't have to do any working on it anytime. But anyways, so we'll go ahead and take this out. It comes pretty well packed. I mean, you're dealing with a vehicle that's meant to be thrashed around and bashed, so I mean, but they still pack it pretty well. These huge tires on this thing. And then we got the radio. This is the ready to run version. So it comes with its own radio. It's a Spectrum DX2. Is the STX2 two-channel radio. It's got throttle limiters on it, which for this is good, especially if you have younger kids that are gonna be using it, or your throttle rate. You can change that, limiters, all that good stuff, right on the back. This is the bare bones radio. Then we have the truck. Awesome. Awesome paint job on it. It's under or silver and overcoated with a matte finish. Tires, there's honking tires on here, massive tires. You got your body with the retaining bungees, which is really nice. All right, don't just bash blast. Yeah, purposely made to do just that, to rip it up, do backflips, flips, crazy jumps. Comes with a pigtail, which is good for running it in 3S. I'll probably be running it myself in 6S, but for my kids learning how to drive it and everything, it'll just be running 3S for them. Nice servo, massive shocks on this thing. The suspension, phenomenal. You just look at the quality parts in there. It has a waterproof servo speed controller. Waterproof speed controller. It's also got a waterproof compartment for the receiver, and I would assume that the motor's waterproof as well. I don't know. I didn't read up on it. It's here to keep the dirt and debris from going up inside the chassis, which on the Super Baja right over there, every time uh, every time you run that thing, it just gets packed full of dirt and dust and all kinds of good stuff. So anyways, so that's pretty much the ARRMA Notorious in a nutshell. Like I said, there's plenty of videos out there, boxes. I just wanted to kind of give you my first impressions. And right off the bat, I mean the tires are massive. So when they're spinning in the air, I mean this thing's just gonna flip like crazy. Sway bars in the back and the front. Like I said, massive shocks. Your tie rod ends, or tie rods, just massive tie rods on this thing. So yeah, I hope it lasts. I'll definitely be putting it through its paces for sure. So we'll find out once I get it up and running. But anyways, um, yeah, I hope everybody liked it. Just trying to keep it short and sweet, show you what I got. Also, just kind of breaking up the monotony of my laser page by having something a little different on the channel. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'll answer them the best I can, but there's probably better people out there to answer the questions on these things than me. I'm just getting back into the hobby, kind of out of the loop on a lot of the new stuff and technology and whatnot. But this game is very, very highly recommended. Great reviews, and can't wait to test here today if the weather holds out. But anyways, so without further ado, I'll go ahead and let you guys go, and we'll talk to you next time. Feel free to ask. Other than that, next time.